Wheels up to Brazil. And being the efficient travelers that we are, we took the most direct flight possible.
We had a 6-hour layover in Toronto. We also had a 6-hour layover here in Sao Paulo. We had this brilliant plan to go and hang out at the lounges for Air Canada and Star Alliance. Worked out great in Toronto. Here in Brazil, however, closed. Closed for heavy rainstorms.
So we decided to grab some local food instead.
So for our first meal in country, we stopped at a very authentic and traditional location, as you can see behind me.
After dinner, it was off to Rio and some much-deserved rest.
So it's 4:30 in the morning. We are packed up, ready to go. We got a 5 a.m. bus. There was a rave out our window from 11 until, well, it's still going strong, so no sleep, but here we go.
So after about 2.5 hours, we finally arrived to the port city, Mangaratiba, and some of the best weather we would probably have our entire trip before heading to Ilha Grande.
How excited are you for Ilha Grande? So anything you want to say for the folks back home?
After about 50 hours of travel, we were excited for some sunshine, warm weather, and some crystal blue water. And we got 1 out of 3. What'd you think of your first Brazilian beach?
It's cool.
Yeah?
Oh, you're filming.
Uh-huh.
It was awesome. I'm just also very tired and ready to go take a nap / go to bed.
Yeah. And that's what we did, which is fortunate because we did something really stupid the next day.
Hey, hi, Sarah. Hi, Steph.
What's up?
Woo, good morning.
Where are we hiking right now, Brandon?
That's a great question. You're the navigator. Somewhere, La Palmas or something?
Lopez Mendez.
Lopez Mendez. So it's about 2.5 hours out. It's supposed to be one of the most beautiful beaches. Weather's not really cooperating, but we're gonna give it a shot. Yeah, we got 2 hours for it to clear up a little bit. So let's hope for the best. Here we go. Been walking for days, out of water.
We've been walking for less than an hour.
It's been days. Go for it, Sarah.
I don't have balance.
Don't worry, I'm filming.
Oh, yeah, there you go.
And Sarah. 40 more minutes to go.
Kind of. But in the rainforest, there's danger around every turn.
Yeah, good save, good save.
Where are we?
Almost Mendez.
How long of a hike? How long did it
About
take
2.5 hours. We are sweaty and gross and very much looking forward to getting in some cool ocean water.
Yes.
Before we got there, Brandon saw a couple of his relatives.
So we made it to the beach. We were once again reminded how fat and out of shape we are.
Actually quite sad.
Yeah. Unfortunately, the weather hasn't really cleared up, but it's still beautiful. And we're gonna go climb on some rocks now because that seems like a good life choice. So.
Absolutely. Always.
Unfortunately, as the day went on, the weather got worse, so we decided to go ahead and catch an early ferry back to the village and call it an early night.
Good morning from Ilha Grande. We are on our final full day here, and we are doing a 5-beach boat tour. Costs us about $25 per person, and it goes around the entire island. So we're gonna get to see a couple of beaches that we wouldn't get to see. They're not exactly private because I think there's like 5 other boats, but it's still beautiful and awesome scenery.
Stroll down these streets, feeling like a feather. Breathe in the evening. Stroll down these streets, tangled up in leather. Oh, it makes me feel
So Philly, on a scale of 1 to 10, how cold is this?
This is like 9.28. Would you say?
That's a very scientific answer. I
that
like
might
it.
be too cold. 8.35.
8.35. Okay, I
What
like
do you
it.
guys think? Like Frozen. This is
I feel like this is
honestly
like a
we're all
5.
babies. This is
I think
5.
it's a 5.
Yeah.
All right.
From like hot
It's a
to
5.
like
and painting my skyline. Lay down under the sun, soaking up the daylight. Goodbye, my worries. Under the sun, everything is alright. Oh, it makes me feel alive. Long days of drifting through the city and drinking in the daytime. New ways of feeling so breezy. I'm sipping on springtime. Long days of drifting through the city and dreaming in the moonlight. New ways of writing my story and painting my skyline.
How is it?
amazing.
What is it?
Fish stew and a like cream cheese shrimp stew.
Yeah.
Mocaca? Is that right? Mocaca? Mocaca.
Nice.
Mocaca.
What's the Portuguese name?
It's a beer. That is muqueca de camarão com catupiry.
Long days of drifting through the
Before leaving, we had to hit up our favorite dessert spot on the island one last time.
ways of feeling so
So we are leaving Ilha Grande. It was an awesome time here despite the rain. It's sending us out with style, obviously, because it's still raining, and it's actually raining the hardest it's rained since we got here during the day. So yeah, any thoughts, Ruben?
We are headed to Rio. Would not be consistent with our trip if it weren't raining, so I guess I shouldn't be surprised. We got about a 3-hour transit, and then we will be in the city of the Olympics. So that's it for Ilha Grande. We are now here in Rio enjoying even more rain. It's been fantastic. But that's for next week's vlog. So if you enjoyed this one, make sure to hit subscribe, bop it, do whatever you're going to do down below there. And if you enjoyed that last song, that is Granada by our friends Philly and KK. Their band is called 500 Year Flood. Check them out on Instagram and Spotify, iTunes, wherever you get your music. So until next time, peace!